Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in the last session, we have understood about the cloud formation and we have understood about the infrastructure as a code model. Okay, so we have understood about all these things in the last session, but in this particular session, we are going to deep dive into the concept of which is infrastructure as a code model. Okay, so we are going to understand about the uses, we are going to understand about the benefits of infrastructure as a code model into this particular session. So now let's start the session. So in this session, we are just discussing about the benefits of using, infrastructure as a code. So the first we are having is automation and consistency. So first we are having automated provisioning, means we can deploy our infrastructure quickly and in a very better manner and into multiple cloud environment without any manual intervention. Means we are just talking about the automation, provisioning into cloud. So when there is a very I can say minimal human intervention, then we can say like we are going to have a error free infrastructure. Okay, then we are having version control and collaboration. So I've already told you everything is being done by AWS itself automatically. So you don't have to think about the versions and version control, because everything is being there and it is being managed by AWS itself. Then we are having collaboration. We are having lots of repository tools, repositories like in Git, and there are lots of tools as well. So with the help of these tools and these kind of services, we can actually collaborate. We collaborate with different teams, and we can have a proper infrastructure for that. And then we are having scalability and flexibility. So everything is being done automatically. I'm telling this thing again and again. So the thing is, wherever there is a need of scaling up the things, we can do it, or I can say system will do it properly without any intervention. Okay, we can have multi-region deployment. Okay, so we can deploy our infrastructure into multiple regions. And when we talk about the use cases of infrastructure as a code, the first thing which I have already discussed is multi-environment deployment, and we can say like we can deploy our infrastructure into multiple region, or I can say multiple environment, like we are talking about the multi-cloud model. Then we are having disaster recovery, means everything is being done by AWS, so there is a proper backup will be there by AWS itself automatically. Then we are having disaster recovery, so we don't have to think about that. Then we are having continuous integration and continuous deployment, like we are having CI/CD, because from now we are just starting something. We are just talking about the cloud automation and all. So we are just moving towards DevOps. So we can integrate like infrastructure as a code into CI/CD pipeline for automatic testing, or for automating automated deployments and all. And also we are having hybrid and multi-cloud environment. So we can say we can deploy our services, or I can say our infrastructure into multiple cloud, or I can say into hybrid mode. Okay, so for doing this we are having different tools. As you can see, it is written over there, Terraform. So Terraform is also a tool for DevOps, and with the help of this tool we can do lots of things. So we use Terraform, and with the help of Terraform, by just writing a code, we can create EC2 instances or different services we can launch. So I hope you guys have understood about the benefits and the uses of infrastructure as a code model. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.